Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to guide you how you can create and set up your Facebook pixel and then connect it to your WordPress website. First of all, you need to log into your business.facebook.com account and then select the business that you want to use for your Facebook pixel. After that, you need to find Events Manager. You can find it here in this left bar. If you can't find it here, you can click on All Tools. Here you can see Events Manager. Click on it. On this page, to create and set up Facebook pixel, you need to click on Connect Data. Then you can choose the one for which you are going to create your Facebook pixel. I need to connect it to the website, so I am going to select web, but the procedure is almost the same for the rest of them. Click on Next. Here you need to select your data sheet. If you have already created, then you can click on this arrow and then select the one you have. If not, then you can click on create new data sheet and then just give the name to your data sheet and it will be created and selected automatically. I have already created, that is why I am going to select the one that I have already. Click on Next. Here it will ask you to choose how to connect your website. There are three options. For now I am going to do it manually, but if you want to set up with partner integration, then you can select it. Click on Next and then select the partner that you want to connect your Facebook pixel. In my case it is WordPress. I will select WordPress. I am just trying to guide you that how you can do it. I will do it manually. After loading, it will give you instructions that how you can connect your MetaPixel with partner integration. You need to go to your website, then find the plugin they recommended. Go to plugins, add new, then search for Facebook pixel. This is the plugin that you want to use. In my case, my website PHP version is different. I will debug it and fix it. So you can install this plugin and then follow the instructions they gave here. Once you install the plugin successfully, then you just need to follow these steps. Click on Get Started and it will ask you to log into your Facebook business account. After that, once you are connected to your Facebook business account, you can click on Next. Put your website link here and then set up events, and the final setup is confirmation. But in my case, as I am going to set it up manually, let me go back again. Connect data, next, select the data sheet, next, set up manually, and here you have now again two options that how do you want to connect your website. Conversion API and MetaPixel, which is recommended, but I am going to use MetaPixel only. Click on Next. Here you see the instructions that how you can connect your MetaPixel to your website manually. Copy the code and then we need to paste this code into the header section of our website. Go to your website to which you want to connect your MetaPixel. Go to Appearance, Theme File Editor, then select the header.php file. As I am using a child theme, so I don't see any header.php file here. I need to select the parent theme. Here you can see header.php, and in this file we need to find the head tag. Head tag starts here. They say we need to paste the code into the bottom of the header section of your website just above the closing head tag. So here we can see our closing head tag is here. We can enter here and then paste our code here. Here you can see our MetaPixel code has been pasted successfully. Then make sure you update the file so that your changes are saved. If you will not update the file, then your pixel will not be connected. File edited successfully. Let's go back and then click on continue so that they verify we have pasted our code to the head section. Now it says automatic advanced matching. Click on continue. then go to pixel. Now to cross check if our pixel has been connected successfully or not, we need to use MetaPixel Helper extension. You can add it to your Chrome or Microsoft Edge. I have already added, so let's open our website. Once your website is loaded, here you can see on plugin we notice there is a notification that says 1, and we can see it says a MetaPixel, and let's compare the last digits, 94281 and 94281. So it verifies that our MetaPixel has been connected successfully. In this video, that's it. Subscribe for more useful videos like this.